One of the biggest differences between different kinds of tools is whether you bring the tool to the workpiece or the workpiece to the tool. Both are useful in their own ways. Rotary tool is one, of course, where you bring it to the workpiece, and it's very useful in that regard. However, there are some operations where vice versa will be better for me, which is why I created this handy little accessory. This is simply a piece of hardwood, and much of the shaping around the outside is more for my own aesthetic taste than its function. The real important part is here at the center. This is a recessed hole. It's a through hole, smaller on the other side, and just wide enough to fit this nut in the center. I epoxied the nut in place, so I make sure it stays in. The nut has threads, which match the head of the rotary tool exactly, which means that I can clamp up the accessory in my vise, thread in the rotary tool, and now have it as a fixed tool instead. With the sanding head in place, it's excellent for shaping unique contours, such as those on saw handles. Of course, with the rotary tool, you can change the heads to whatever you need, and your options are pretty open.